This dog does not like being outside in the rain. Lizzie, you need to go to the bathroom. I'm not letting you in until you go. Lizzie, go! It's been raining all day. So she really needs to go to the bathroom. It's so windy. Stampy's like, should I just sit here or should I go? Hi, Stampy! Oh, dang it, the stupid raindrops are in the way. You can't see his cute little face. Oh. Lizzie, you need to go to the bathroom. You need to go potty. No, you're not going in yet. You're not coming in yet. She won't even go down there with you with the umbrella. Like.
All right, you're gonna have to let her in because I can't get in until you guys go in.
Alright.
Just watch, when you open the door, she's gonna bust through it. So.
Yeah, Stampy, you might want to move.
Just open it wide
okay.
so she doesn't bang you. Okay. With what I'm saying. And be careful, it's gonna be slippery when you go.
Yep.
You hear me?
Ow! I banged my elbow on the grill. Hi, Stampy! Hey! You good?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Alright, please.
Alright.
Come in.
Stampy! Oh, okay, bye, thanks.